I'm Ben with the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by bitrefill.com, your one-stop shop to live on Bitcoin and Lightning. They've got all the best gift cards, things like Amazon, Apple, Best Buy, Airbnb, Uber, and much more. You can even do hotel bookings, you can do all of your travel, and you can now grab prepaid MasterCards as long as you have a US address that you can input. Check them out today, bitrefill.com. Links are down below to sign up now. The Africa stuff is such a great thing to highlight, right? Like it kind of plays to the whole Alex Gladstein check your financial privilege kind of mentality of, you know, in the West, it's so easy for people that aren't already interested in Bitcoin to just dismiss it and be like, oh, it's useless. Because yeah, you know, you've got access to the greatest banking infrastructure on the planet, which apparently still isn't that great
Right.
as we've been seeing. But nonetheless, like, you know, for the most part, you can move your money around fairly easily. You can access a lot of things that the average person on the globe cannot. And so it's so easy to be dismissive of it. But when you're presented with these types of pieces of content in the mainstream, all of a sudden it becomes if you're shitting on it, it's like, well, why are you being such a dick? Like all of these people that are less privileged than you are actually being rescued by this kind of global network. Why would you look down upon that? And not only that, but you don't have the firsthand experience. There's people from these places that are telling you this is my lifeline, and you're still being dismissive. So like, who are they to believe? The person that is saying this is helping me, this is rescuing me, or the person in the first world country with a JP Morgan account that's saying it's useless. Like